You got your blocks? You helping Daddy build stuff? If you tell her you want a block somewhere, she'll put it there.
Can you put that in there, Kira? No, that one's too tight. You need a bigger hole. It's too big. Can you put that in there?
Yeah, I guess she doesn't feel like doing it. That's an interesting thing you're making.
I'm not so sure what I'm making.
Are you helping?
She's gonna stop whatever I'm making anyway. She wants her part. Look at that. Screw you, I want my stick thing.
She likes those circular ones.
Yeah.
Hi, pretty girl. Oh, you're going to fill up the bin? Put them in here. Do you want to put this one in? You want to put that one in the bin for Mommy? Put it in here. In here. Good job. Can you get it? It's empty. Well, it's empty now.
Daddy doesn't know what he's constructing, Kira. He's on a lean on. That's too fragile. Break that.